Go.
Alright? Yeah. Okay, this is the last pancake that I have. And I'm almost ready to put it in the pan. And then
Ooh,
do it
nice.
like this and spread it out. See, it's already burning because I can't make them. And then you totally just spread it out.
Shut up.
Ooh, burning. Okay. Whoop! Flip it over. Burned. It's okay though. See? I'm trying. Almost there. Check it out. Nice. Okay, and it's ready to go. Wait. Ew. And now
This is Drew's pancakes.
we put some butter. Yum 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 yum. Some syrup.
Oh my god.
And to finish it, we put some strawberries. And there you go. Then you have Dre's pancakes.
Okay.
Now, just enjoy it.